There are three main species of elephant, each with distinct physical and behavioral characteristics. 1. African savanna elephant. Scientific name, Loxodonta africana. Habitat, savannas and grasslands in sub-Saharan Africa. Size, males can weigh up to 6 tons, 12,000 pounds, and reach 4 meters, 13 feet in height. Characteristics, large ears, curved tusks, and a grayish-brown color. 2. African forest elephant. Scientific name, Loxodonta cyclotis. Habitat, dense forests in Central and Western Africa. Size, smaller than savanna elephants, with males weighing up to 2.7 tons, 6,000 pounds. Characteristics, more rounded ears, straighter tusks, and a darker gray color. 3. Asian elephant. Scientific name, Elephas maximus. Habitat, forests and grasslands in southern and southeastern Asia. Size, males can weigh up to 5 tons, 11,000 pounds, and reach 3.5 meters, 11.5 feet in height. Characteristics, smaller ears, curved tusks only in some males, and a grayish-brown color. There are also several subspecies of elephants, including desert elephant, African savanna elephant subspecies, Sumatran elephant, Asian elephant subspecies, Sri Lanka elephant, Asian elephant subspecies, Indian elephant, Asian elephant subspecies. Here are some key characteristics of elephants. Physical characteristics. 1. Large-size mammals asterisk. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, with African elephants weighing between 5,000–14,000 pounds, 2,268–6,350 kilograms, and Asian elephants weighing between 3,000–6,000 pounds, 1,361–2,722 kilograms. 2. Gray skin asterisk. Elephants have thick, gray skin that is almost hairless. 3. Large ears asterisk. Elephants have large, fan-shaped ears that help them to regulate their body temperature and hear distant sounds. 4. Long trunk asterisk. Elephants have a long, flexible trunk that is used for breathing, drinking, eating, and grasping objects. 5. Tusks asterisk. Elephants have large, curved tusks that are used for fighting, digging, and lifting. Behavioral characteristics. 1. Social animals asterisk. Elephants are highly social animals that live in large family groups, led by a matriarchal figure. 2. Intelligent asterisk. Elephants are considered one of the smartest animals on Earth, with a highly developed brain and a strong sense of self-awareness. 3. Emotional asterisk. Elephants have been observed showing empathy, compassion, and self-awareness, and are known to form strong bonds with each other. 4. Communicative asterisk. Elephants communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including rumbling, roaring, and trumpeting. 5. Cooperative asterisk. Elephants are known to work together to achieve common goals, such as protecting their family group or finding food. Elephants' mating behavior. Elephant mating behavior is a complex and fascinating process. Here are some interesting facts about elephant mating behavior. Musth and mate selection. 1. Musth. Male elephants experience a state of heightened aggression and testosterone levels, known as musth, which usually occurs during the breeding season. 2. Mate selection. During musth, males engage in intense competition for mating rights, and the dominant male will often select the female he wants to mate with. Courtship and mating. 1. Courtship. Before mating, the male and female elephant will engage in a courtship ritual, which involves displays of affection, such as touching trunks and making low rumbling sounds. 2. Mating. The actual mating process is relatively brief, lasting around 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Post-mating. After mating, the male and female will often separate, and the female will become pregnant. Female elephant reproductive cycle. 1. Estrus cycle. Female elephants experience an estrus cycle, which typically lasts around 14 to 16 weeks. 2. Ovulation. During the estrus cycle, the female elephant will ovulate, and this is when she is most receptive to mating. Pregnancy and birth. 1. Gestation period. The gestation period for elephants is approximately 22 months, almost 2 years. 2. Birth. When the female elephant gives birth, she will typically have a single calf, which will weigh around 100 to 150 pounds, 45 to 68 kilograms, at birth. Social structure and mating. 1. Matriarchal herds. Female elephants often live in matriarchal herds, led by the oldest and wisest female. 2. Male elephant roles. Male elephants will often leave their natal herd at around 10 to 15 years old and live a more solitary life, only joining female herds for mating. Interesting facts. 1. Elephant empathy. Elephants have been observed showing empathy and compassion towards each other, particularly during mating and childbirth. 2. Low reproductive rate. Elephants have a relatively low reproductive rate compared to other mammals, which makes conservation efforts challenging. Overall, elephant mating behavior is a complex and fascinating process that involves social hierarchy, mate selection, and courtship rituals. Habitat and diet. 1. Savannas and forests asterisk. Elephants are found in savannas and forests in sub-Saharan Africa and southern Asia. 2. Herbivores asterisk. Elephants are herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark. 3. Water-dependent asterisk. Elephants need access to large amounts of water, and are often found near rivers, lakes, and wetlands. Conservation status. 1. Endangered asterisk. Many elephant populations are endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. 2. Protected areas asterisk. Elephants are protected in many national parks and wildlife reserves, but more needs to be done to protect their habitats and prevent poaching. Elephant conservation is a critical issue, as these majestic creatures face numerous threats to their survival. Here are some key aspects of elephant conservation. Threats to elephant populations. 1. Habitat loss and fragmentation asterisk. Human activities like deforestation, urbanization, and agriculture have led to habitat loss and fragmentation, making it difficult for elephants to find food, water, and shelter. 2. Poaching asterisk. Elephants are hunted for their ivory, meat, and hides, leading to significant population declines. 3. Human-wildlife conflict asterisk. As elephants lose their habitats, they encroach on human settlements, leading to conflicts over resources and space. 4. Climate change asterisk. Climate change affects elephant habitats, food sources, and migration patterns, making them more vulnerable to other threats. Conservation efforts. 1. Protected areas asterisk. Establishing national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and conservation reserves provides a safe habitat for elephants. 2. Anti-poaching efforts asterisk. Governments, NGOs, and local communities work together to combat poaching, using techniques like intelligence gathering, patrols, and community engagement. 3. Human-wildlife conflict mitigation asterisk. Conservationists work with local communities to develop strategies for coexisting with elephants, such as using elephant-proof fencing and providing compensation for crop damage. 4. Research and monitoring asterisk. Scientists study elephant behavior, population dynamics, and habitat use to inform conservation decisions. 5. Community-based conservation asterisk. Local communities are involved in conservation efforts, providing them with economic benefits and incentives to protect elephants. Organizations involved in elephant conservation. 1. International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, asterisk. The IUCN provides guidance on elephant conservation and management. 2. World Wildlife Fund, WWF, asterisk. The WWF supports conservation efforts in elephant range states. 3. Asterisk. The Elephant Conservation Center asterisk. This organization provides a sanctuary for rescued elephants and supports conservation efforts. 4. Save the Elephants asterisk. This organization works to protect elephants from poaching and habitat loss. What you can do to help. 1. Support conservation organizations asterisk. Donate to reputable organizations involved in elephant conservation. 2. Spread awareness asterisk. Share information about elephant conservation and the threats they face. 3. Reduce demand for ivory asterisk. Refrain from buying ivory products and support alternatives. 4. Support ecotourism asterisk. Responsible tourism can support conservation efforts and provide economic benefits for local communities.